Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change theme on AOL Mail. To change your theme on AOL Mail, first of all open a web browser and type in mail.aol.com in the URL box at the top. Make sure that you're signed into your AOL Mail account. Once you're logged in, click on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen and you will be able to see the theme option displayed on the screen. Select the theme of your choice and click on it, and instantly you will be able to see that you've changed your theme for your AOL mailbox. So that is how you can easily change your theme and give your AOL mail account a quick makeover. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.